What's up, warriors? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty and weight loss related. And today I'll be telling you some oils that can help facilitate your weight loss journey, because most people don't know that what you cook with, like, it's very important. Most people tend to cook with oils like vegetable oil, sunflower oil. These oils are not healthy because they go through a lot of processing. Even back home, we used to cook with groundnut oil. Groundnut oil is very good provided it's organic groundnut oil, but our own groundnut oil goes through a lot of processing, and at the end of the day we are eating something that is not healthy to our body. So it's been like this oils that I'll be mentioning in this video today. You can go ahead and do your own research as well, and you will see that these oils are very healthy and they are good, especially if you're trying to lose weight. So guys, let's get into the video, and please do watch till the end. Yeah, I'll make a voice over the oils, and then at the end of the day we'll come back. Yeah, after we talk about oils, we'll come back to conclude. So the first oil for today is the avocado oil. This oil is enriched with healthy monounsaturated fats that are healthy for your heart. This oil promotes weight loss by warding off hunger. Avocado oil is also known to improve cholesterol levels. It contains potassium and vitamin B. You can use avocado oil in salads. It can also be drizzled over homemade pizza, fish, and bread. Do you know avocado oil is the oil recommended for people following the paleo diet and also the ketogenic diet? So why don't you try this oil if you're trying to lose weight? Secondly, we'll look at olive oil. Olive oil is common, but what you don't know about olive oil is that olive oil is one of the best cooking oils for weight loss. It is enriched with healthy fats and is known to prevent cardiovascular ailments and cancer. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat as well, a type of fat which helps lower cholesterol levels. Extra virgin olive oil can reduce the risk of breast cancer, and it is perhaps the best oil for weight loss. Grapeseed oil is one of the healthiest cooking oils for weight loss. It has a high smoke point, making it a good choice for high flame cooking. It can also be used for salad dressings or for adding it to roasted veggies, fish, etc. The next weight loss oil we'll be looking at is the almond oil. And though it's a little bit high in calorie as compared to the other oils mentioned here, almond oil, when consumed in moderation, can help reduce weight. Make sure to use unrefined almond oil, as the refined counterpart lacks nutrients. Unrefined almond oil is high in nutrients. It contains monounsaturated fat and less of saturated fat. You can use almond oil for baking muffins and cakes. It is enriched with antioxidants and can keep your heart healthy. Walnut oil is another oil that aids in weight loss. Polyunsaturated fatty acids present in this oil improves the metabolic rate and help burn calories. Walnut oil also helps lower blood pressure and stress. However, this oil too should not be used for high temperature cooking. It is best used for salad dressing. Next, we'll be looking at the sesame oil. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Personally, I've not used this oils, but most of these oils, but I'm just doing it for research sake. So sesame oil is often used in Indian, Asian, and Middle Eastern cooking. It helps in maintaining a healthy blood pressure level and reducing body mass and body weight. Sesame oil contains polyunsaturated fatty acids that influence the levels of leptin in the body, a hormone that reduces fat deposition and appetite. Consumption of sesame oil reduces BMI, waist circumference, and body weight. It also improves cholesterol and blood pressure levels. So I'm definitely gonna try this oil if I can have it in my area. The next type of oil we'll be looking at today is the canola oil, and this oil is low in saturated fats. Canola oil will serve as a great replacement for any unhealthy oil. Canola oil, when used in place of saturated fats, can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, having a higher smoke point compared to olive oil. Canola oil can be used for high temperature cooking. It does not have much of a taste or flavor, so avoid using it for salads. One of the many advantages of flaxseed oil contains alpha linolenic acid, I hope I'm pronouncing that well, and omega-3 fatty acids. This is one dietary omega-3 fatty acid that the human body cannot make on its own. It helps maintain healthy body weight by controlling hunger. Flaxseed oil also reduces the risk of cancer and inflammation. However, do not use flaxseed oil for cooking. Use it in salads. Yeah, those are the oils mentioned. I personally use just two oils in those oils I mentioned. I actually tried using three. I used the best is the avocado oil, but avocado oil is super expensive. And then I use the coconut oil and the olive oil. Sometimes I use almond oil, but I mostly use coconut oil and olive oil, especially when I was doing the ketogenic diet. So before I end the video of today, I want to give you a tip, because the smell, the aroma from the oil can be so disgusting, and that is what makes many people to stay away from the oil. So what I do is, for the coconut oil or whatever oil, you can use this method. Okay, so you can just peel a clove of garlic too, and when the oil is warm enough, you drop it inside. And you can also peel you can also take onion. When you drop it inside, after like 30 seconds you take it out, it will eradicate that smell. The best one I love using is the onion, because I don't like the smell of garlic, so I prefer onion. When you put onion inside, actually this is just my invention, and I discovered that it erases the smell, especially olive oil or coconut oil. It just makes that smell to go away without anybody identifying that probably you use coconut oil or you use olive oil. Guys, these oils, they are low in cholesterol. That's why if you're having problems, if you're having high BP or you're having heart issues, your doctor can advise you that you should either use olive oil. Okay, most people, they go on olive oil, they start using olive oil due to the recommendation of their doctor. So why not? Why don't you try if you're trying to lose weight? It's healthy, and it makes you to lose weight fast, honestly, especially if you're on a low carb diet or you are on a ketogenic diet. So that is it for the video of today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something, and if you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. If you're on my Facebook, please like and share my Facebook page so that we can have more likes and more followers on the page. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.